Frittatas are great, full of protein, and they're great for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. We're going to make a sausage bacon frittata, and we'll start by cooking 1/3 pound of sausage. It's going to fry it in a pan or in a skillet and get that nice brown caramelization texture on it. Put a link right here for my how to cook bacon video. A large bowl and crack a dozen eggs, large jumbo size. Scramble it up real well and add whatever ingredients that you would like into it. I'm going to add that sausage and bacon I was talking about. Mix it up again. Next, grab something to cook it in. You can use a pie pan. I'm going to use a springform mold pan, and I'm going to line the bottom with parchment paper, which will make it easier for me to pull out and serve once it's all done. Give it a light spray with cooking oil and pour the mixture into the pan. Top with your favorite cheese and it's ready to go into the oven. 350 degrees for approximately 20 to 25 minutes. Separate your frittata from the sides of the pan and it's ready to pop out, slice, and serve. Enjoy!